Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Chem 261, Organic Chemistry 1, Spring 2023. So let me give you my intro. I'm your course instructor, Dr. Seemal Jelani. So if I talk about the course contents, they are based on reaction mechanisms. Free radicals means that we need to understand, first of all, the basic tools of organic chemistry. And then we go for the reaction mechanisms, free radical, electrophilic and nucleophilic substitution reactions, addition reactions, elimination reactions, catalytic reactions. And then we go for the different classes. And the different classes like alkyl halides, amines, and organometallic compounds. So this is actually the roadmap or the theme of this course. The scheme of studies for all the classes would be nomenclature, bond lengths, strengths, energetics. This means that we must know what a chemical reaction is happening, why the bonds are breaking and forming, and what are the reasons. If we talk about the energetics, it means that we study exothermic and endothermic to understand why the reaction is happening. Another important course content is the preparation. So preparations, we will understand and we will see the different methods, right? And we go with a strong grip on understanding the mechanistic schemes for the preparation of all the mentioned organic classes. Then we need to understand what we are using, for instance, electrophilic carbons, nucleophilic carbons, electrophiles, nucleophiles, their nature, either they are acidic in nature or basic in nature, what type of reactions they will give, for example, whether they give elimination reactions, substitution reactions, addition reactions. With all this information and by learning the skills of organic mechanism, we will be able to solve the puzzle. We will understand to put right building block at the exact and right place. In the end, the molecule synthesis will be completely understood by following the above information. First of all, we go for the reaction mechanistic schemes. And specifically, if we start the alkyl halides, so we go for the mechanism of halogenation via free radical. This is for alkanes, addition reactions to C double bond, triple bond C, alkenes and alkynes. We learn the mechanisms. Then we go for the electrophilic addition reactions. To understand any mechanistic scheme, we need to go for some extra tools also. Specifically in electrophilic addition reactions, we understand the stereochemistry of addition reactions, because when we go for addition reaction, regioselectivity must be taken into consideration. Then we also need to understand the nature of the carbocations, whether it is first degree, second degree, third degree, means one primary, secondary, or tertiary. And we also understand the allelic halogenation, auto-oxidation. After that, we will start nucleophilic substitution reactions. Either we start nucleophilic substitution reaction first or these elimination reactions. It depends on it depends on what we decide. So nucleophilic substitution reactions, three things are very important, and we know the exact nature and the role of these three contents. Number one, substrate, the nature of the substrate, the nature of the leaving group, the nature of the nucleophile. Then we go for the types of SN reactions. So there are two types of SN reactions, SN1 reaction and SN2 reactions. Then we will understand the mechanistic scheme of these SN1 reaction and SN2 reactions, and also their thermodynamic aspects. After that, we also need to study the factors affecting the SN mechanism. We should know the strength of the nucleophile, we should know the nature of the leaving group, and we should also know the substrate, whether it is primary, secondary, and tertiary. So if we talk about the exclusively elimination reactions, again, we need to have a very strong grip on mechanistic scheme, stereoselectivity, and stereospecificity of the double bond. means what would be the product, cis or trans, and also the factors which affecting E reactions. In the end, we go for the comparative analysis of both these reactions, elimination reactions and substitution reactions. Then we start to study the different classes. So here we will start the chemistry of amines, and we understand 1 degree, 2 degree, and 3 degree amines and their reaction and mechanistic scheme with reference to some named reactions. Like first of all, we understand how they react with the nitrous acid and disonium salts. What is Hoffman elimination? What is Koch elimination? So we will go for some named reactions. After that, we go for the organometallic compounds. Organic metallic compounds containing a covalent bond between carbon atom and a metalloids like silicon, tin, and boron. They can form organometallic compounds commonly used in some industrial chemical reactions. So primarily used as homogeneous catalysts in commercial chemical reactions. They are also used stoichiometric reagents in industrial and research-oriented chemical reactions. So mostly we go to see organolithium and organomagnesium. We go for their synthesis, their applications, and some named reactions like Gilman reactions, Hecht reactions, Style and reactions, Suzuki reactions, coupling reactions. Then we go for the alkene metathesis reactions and their applications. We also look into some catalysis, their importance in chemical reactions. We also go for the biocatalysis and organocatalysis. We also see distereoselective reactions and, of course, some information about the stereochemistry of new synthesized compounds. So this is the course contents. And if I talk about the assessment strategies includes assignments related to mechanism of reactions, group activities related to problem solving, lab work, quizzes, mid-exam, final exam. And one thing I must add over here, and that is the academic writing. We will go for the catalysis and green chemistry. We focus on this area also. And then I will give you some very latest article on catalysis and green chemistry. So we will have the practice for how to go for the academic writing and then how to present the work. So there will be presentation assessment also. And the book I'm going to follow over here is the Organic Chemistry by Brown and Foote. This is not 6th, but 7th edition. And the exclusive chapters are 8, 9, 15, 23, and 24. But you can use other books also, like Organic Chemistry by Finar, and you can use some other resources. I've also requested the Madiha, the librarian, to make the course pack for Organic Chemistry by Brown and Foote, chapter 8, 9, 15, 23, and 24. Hope to see you in the spring semester. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.